guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my favorite eye brushes. So if you want to hear what my favorite eye brushes are, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start out with my favorite blending brushes because I have four, which is a little excessive. So first off, I'm going to start with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is just perfect. It's fluffy. I love it. I especially love this end to do quick creases. I used it today. If you haven't seen this tutorial, it'll be linked down below. This fluffy end just diffuses the crease color so nicely. It doesn't do it too much, but it does it to just enough where you're completely happy with it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Next up is my Sonia Kashuk blending brush. I just love this. It's just perfect for blending. I don't like it though to pick up color. I've picked up color with it before and it just doesn't do what I want it to do, I guess, because it's just so fluffy. This is just perfect to use with nothing on it, just to go in and blend out any harshness that's in your crease. I just love it. I have zero complaints about this brush. Next up is my Sigma E25 brush. I'm sure you guys have seen this in so many of my tutorials. I just love it. It fits perfectly in my crease and it's a little tapered. I don't know if you can tell. I feel like there's just like a little bit of a point, and I just feel like if you use it like this way, it just fits in your crease perfectly and just distributes all the color really nicely. And yeah, I just love this brush. Next up is this ColourPop blending brush. I just love this. This is just a really good blending brush. I like this a lot for when I just want to sweep in one color all over my lid, or if I just want to build up colors, it's great for that too. Next up, I guess, are two other like crease brushes. I have used these in the crease. This one says it's for a crease, but they're dome brushes. They're good for the crease. I don't love them for the crease because they don't really blend out that well, but they're really good if you want to lay a color down and then blend it out later. I'm mentioning these two because this one is from Ulta and this one is just really, it's dense. It's a very, very dense brush. And I just like it to really pack on color. I especially like it to just stamp colors in my outer V because it just lays the color nicely, and it's really good to just like blend the outer V and the lid shade together. And then this one, I just like to sometimes use it for my crease, or I will just use it to, again, stamp a color. But this one, I'll use it to stamp a color lightly, and then this one more vibrant. Next is an eyeshadow brush that if you've been following me for a while, you would probably know that I love this brush so much. This is just a little Ulta eyeshadow brush, but this one is so good to spray with some Fix Plus or just make it wet with anything, water, just whatever you have, and use it in a shimmery eyeshadow, and it will make that shimmery shadow pop. If I can find a tutorial where I used it, I'll leave it down below because this just makes those shadows pop and it's insane. Like, it's just as good as your finger. This is what I would use before I started using just my finger to apply shimmery shades. Next, we have this Ulta brush, which I will never ever know the name of because it came in a palette. But I love this brush to do the crease in. I used this for a cut crease once. I love this to smoke out a lower lash line. It's great. It's a little tapered. It's pretty fluffy, but dense at the same time, if that makes any sense. I just love it. It's a great brush. Last brush is this Ulta flat liner brush. I like to use this brush to get close to my lower lash line, and then I'll go in with a different brush to smoke it out. It just looks really pretty and really natural, like not natural, but it just gives like a really pretty effect. And then I also will just use it sometimes to line my upper lash line. It's just a really great brush to use if you really want to get close to the lashes. And those were all my favorite eyeshadow brushes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.